This did not come out of the MacBook factory like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, you might see a crack in that one. Whoa, that one just fell off the board right there. Oh, look at, there's an indent right there in that chip. That chip is bad. Alright. Let's start cleaning things up. Obviously a capacitor fell in that area. Let's just clean things up. Some things might fall off. Yeah, that's okay. It's fine by me. I mean, this is probably not gonna fix it, but it's a step in the right direction, you know what I mean? And we always like to have steps in the right oh, and I got a big nozzle today. Somebody must have got me excited. Alright. Now that I don't want to reuse. So I'm gonna take that puppy off of there. Oh, it's hard to take off. Gotta increase our temperature. There we go. Still might be good. But that little chip, I don't think that chip's gonna help us again. Just gotta kind of remember what we took off here. Not taking off that much stuff. Just what is obviously bad. Because I'm impatient.